Alright guys, so the flight comparison is ready to happen. We got winds here, good steady, 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 25. And we got the Phantom 4 Pro. And what I'm going to do with the Phantom 4 Pro is I'm going to fly it above it and kind of shoot straight down. We got the Mavic Pro that we're using for comparison. And we got the Mavic Air over here, the brand new bad boy that came out. Comparing these two together, the Mavic family, to kind of see how they are stability wise. Again, we got winds here, gusts up to 25 miles an hour, so I'm really interested to see how they work together. So anyway, check out the video and tell me how you like it. I'm just like to see a little white oil on my sleeve. That little air is holding strong though. I gotta give it credit. That little guy is a tough little guy. So the winds are basically pretty steady between 5 and 10. We got gusts up to 25, maybe a little more. Moving the Mavic Air over just a little bit. Getting a little too close for comfort for me. Moved it down. Alright guys, so the comparison between the both side-by-side flight, I thought was an overall pretty good success. The Mavic Pro was wobbling quite a bit. It held good though, I'm not going to knock it. I mean, it did really good. But I think the Mavic Air just might have the slight edge. You guys check out the video and put in the comment section what your guys' thoughts were. I think it was a pretty fair assessment. I had them pretty much side by side, and the wind was blowing pretty good. I mean, but I think this was just a little bit more wobbly. This right here was just a little bit more stable. But again, leave in the comment section what your guys' opinions are, and if you want to see any more comparisons between the two, or this versus another drone, I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching, guys.